Telemedicine Center in Slums, a project of Good Heal Trust. Due to high rural to urban migration rates, there is little space for accommodation in the cities. As a result, poor people are forced to settle in crowded slums. Non-communicable diseases are very common in the slums, but healthcare is either unavailable or inaccessible because of the low income of slum dwellers. There are around 5,000 slums in and around Dhaka alone. According to the published report, 25% of Bangladesh's population lives in slums and shoals. Good Heal Trust proposes a solution to the problem by establishing telemedicine clinics in the slums. Affordable and comprehensive healthcare services will be within the reach of the slum dwellers and available every day. This will increase their standard of living and, more importantly, save lives that are vulnerable and need the care most. This solution is creative, bold, and innovative because it uses modern technology that makes healthcare services cost-effective and tackles the issue of healthcare resource shortage at the last mile. People living in slums are poor and cannot afford to visit private hospitals or the overcrowded government hospitals. Telemedicine offers an excellent solution to overcome this complex problem. With a monthly fee of just $1, this program can be made sustainable if enough people enroll onto the program.